Many seniors feel like their strength and stamina are slipping away. But what if I told you there are natural ways to regain that vitality without hitting the gym? As we age, it's common to feel like our bodies aren't what they used to be. We get tired more easily, and everyday activities can start to feel like a chore. But I'm here to tell you that there's hope. You can unlock incredible strength and stamina, and I'm excited to share with you how. I am thrilled to take you on this journey to discover natural ways to boost your strength and stamina. We'll explore simple yet effective techniques that you can start implementing today. One of our participants, a 72-year-old grandmother, was struggling to walk more than a block without getting winded. But after just a few weeks of incorporating some simple exercises into her daily routine, she was able to walk for miles without feeling tired. She shared that she felt like she had her life back and could keep up with her grandkids again. Another participant, an 80-year-old retired teacher, was having trouble lifting his grandkids. But after following our program, he was able to play with them for hours without getting exhausted. He told us that it was amazing to feel like he was 50 again. We also had a 75-year-old woman who was struggling to garden. But after our program, she was able to tend to her garden for hours without feeling tired. She shared that it was wonderful to do the things she loved without feeling limited by her body. As our participants started their journey, they faced some challenges. Some had physical limitations that made it tough to get started, while others struggled with motivation. But with the right mindset and support, they were able to overcome these obstacles. One key moment that stands out was when one of our participants, a 78-year-old man, hiked a mountain for the first time in years. He was beaming with pride and excitement, and it was a turning point for him. He realized that he was capable of more than he thought. The transformation was incredible. Our participants reported feeling more confident, energetic, and independent. They were able to do the things they loved without feeling limited by their bodies. The outcomes of our challenge were excellent. Participants reported an average 50% increase in their strength and stamina. They felt they had their lives back and could take on anything. One participant shared that she was able to travel again, without feeling held back by her body. Another participant told us he could play with his grandkids without getting tired. If these stories inspire you, I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on how to boost your strength and stamina, be sure to subscribe to my channel, HealthyBillien. A special thanks to all our participants for sharing their journeys, and to you for watching. Your support means the world. Finally, to supercharge your results, I highly recommend trying my favorite supplement. Just use the link below to get started today.